Reading a book. Reading is one of my favorite daily activities. Every afternoon, after school, I like to find a cozy corner in my room or the living room and grab a good book. I sit comfortably and start reading, losing myself in the story. I love reading about faraway lands, magical creatures, and brave heroes. The characters in the books feel like friends to me, and their adventures excite my imagination. Sometimes I like to read aloud so my little brother can hear the story too. He enjoys listening and always asks questions about what's going to happen next. My favorite books are those with colorful pictures and funny characters. I also enjoy stories where the main character faces challenges but never gives up. As I turn the pages, I learn new words and ideas that make me think. After reading for a while, I feel calm and happy because reading takes me to places I've never been. I can be part of exciting adventures, even while sitting at home. When I finish a book, I feel proud of myself. I always try to find another book to dive into, because reading is a never-ending journey of discovery.